Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will learn how we can save our data amount of cache in player prefabs. So for that purpose I have deleted the cache script, so for minimizing things, and for kinds we have just deleted all scripts from these kinds. I will select these, and we don't need any script on these kinds, so delete these. Now one thing we will do for kinds, that we will add a tag to these kinds. So in this case I have used cache tag, so you can go to tags, you can add a tag and you can add your tag. So I have added cache tag with a small c. Okay, after that we have created player manager script, which we have created initially, but I have just changed some things. So here you can see that first of all we will include UI, and then we will assign public text cache amount, public integer current cache, and we will assign the value 0, okay, initially. So now we are saying that in our start function, that if there is a key in player prefabs with the name of cache, then current cache will be equal to that key. Okay, so current cache will be equal to cache, else the cache current cache will be 0. Okay, now we are also creating a cache amount dot text, which is this text component, and we are saying that we want to make this text equal to colon, and you can add your text here if you want, and then after colon we are calling current cache. Okay, so it's simple. This is use of player prefabs. Now we are creating a function on trigger enter. So we are saying that if our car collides with cache tag, okay, game object with a tag of cache, then we have to destroy that game object, the other dot game object, which means cache, and then we are going to increase cache plus equal to 100, and then we are setting cache to current cache. Okay, so now we are adding new cache to the current cache, and then again we are displaying the cache amount dot text equal to current cache. That is the simple script. So what we will do, we will select all of our buses. These are the buses, and I'm not extracting their prefabs, and you can also do that, but it will be a little bit complicated. So you can select these in hierarchy, and you can place player manager script here, and the cache UI cache text we will place here. Okay, so that's it. Now what will happen, that if we play the game, you will see that we will have 0 amount initially, and let's see 0 amount. If we get some coin, so let's see, if we get some coin, you can see amount increases to 200 like this. So now if we just quit the game, and if we play game again, you will see that count will be 200 hopefully. So you can see last amount will be 200, and in this way we can increase our cache. So you can see now it will be 300, 400 like this, and then if we play it again, you will see that it will be 400. Similarly, we can apply the same script to main menu. So we will go to main menu, scenes, main menu, and here you will see that I have just added the player manager script on our this bus button. Okay, so if you see that I just have added the player manager script to cache this main UI, and actually that will be a no, that will not be a problem. There is another script here. So On main UI we have added player manager script, and we will add this text which we have used in main UI. So now if we play the game, you will see that we will have our amount here. You can see 2000, and this is due to uh, the older amount which is coming from the old prefabs. So we will clear the prefabs, and then if we play the game, you will see the value will be 0, and then I don't know why this is not 0. So okay, this issue we will fix it, but for level 1 we have done our thing. So we are getting coins, and we are collecting the right data. In next video we'll move further.